Hello Transformers fans and YouTube fans, this is Mr. Toy Review Man having a new Transformers review for you. This time I got a police car. It's awesome, it's cool, it's Barricade. Yeah, it's Barricade. Yeah, awesome car mode. I think, do you see that it says police there? Don't you see it? There's it. Turn up the light and you see it better. No, there. You can see it if you want. If you want, like, yeah, like this. Yeah. It says police. 643 here. Police back here. You see that either? Police there. And this. Yeah. Yeah. To punish and enslave. It says right here. Yeah, and it's police and a Decepticon sign there, 1865 it says, 643 again. Yeah, not that bad, not that good in here. If you see in the window here, you can see the parts, the body parts, but yeah, it's cool. I like having them like this as a Transformers or as a car. Yeah, like this, like. You have plenty of cars like this. Just set and put them there. Yeah, cool. And yeah, the wheels actually go around. Yeah. So let's begin with the transforming. To transform him, you take this part out. Yeah, this would pop out. You take the wheel down. And just take that, turn it around like that, and you have the arm. Yeah, this will pop out, so it's like that. The other wheel, you take the wheel out like this. It's really hard to get out. It's not pegs there. Just take them out, and take that wheel down, and just loosen, turn them around like that. Then you have both arms. To the feet, you take these parts, take them up there and down, take that down and bend it out and bend that out like that. Do the same at the other side and up there, like so we can stand like this. Just give him a little bit better standing like that, and then you have him like that. You take this part out, you see this part, and turn it and put it in these holes up here, pegs in the holes like that, and then you can see it's pretty cool. And you take the windows at the back like that, so they will lay like that. And you take this part, take it like that, take his head, press it with a nail or something, or take that window up and take it up like that, and you press those parts together like that, and there you have it, Barricade. One of my coolest Transformers. Yeah, this, oh, it's pretty loose. Yeah, this is a little bit broken. This arm would stay in place like this. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot something. Take this out like that, so he has fingers like that. Yeah. And now you have him Barricade. It's cool. You can, yeah, articulations. You can forward and backward with the head. Arms can go fully 360. And in and like, yeah, you can fall off. In and out. Feet can go forward and backward, bend at the knee with like clicking sounds. Yeah, pretty much it. Bend at the elbow, no clicking sounds there too. No turning at the elbow. This bends pretty much like on the elbow, under the elbow, under that again. Yeah, so that's pretty much bending on this guy. But it's cool. Good scale. With if you have others like this old Starscream. I think is pretty good scale with it. Yeah, but yeah, it's cool. But see you the next time. Take care.